स्थिति हमें सिखाती है कि इसका मार्ग एक ही है, आत्मनिर्भर भारत। हमारे यहां शास्त्रों में कहा गया है, एषः पंथा, यानी यही रास्ता है आत्मनिर्भर भारत।
Indira Gandhi rightly said that a nation's strength ultimately consists of what it can do on its own and not on what it can borrow from others. Self-reliance on COVID-19 pandemic, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi emphasized on the necessity of a self-reliant India. The need was brought home by the absence of domestic production of personal protective equipment when COVID-19 struck, but India initiated and quickly ramped up PPE production. With different campaigns like Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, it's time to compile these initiatives and raise our voice.
Problems we face by depending on foreign products. Let us see some problems we faced in these years by depending on foreign products. Firstly, monopolization and capturing markets was priority, which resulted in jobless, faceless and ruthless growth. Secondly, by allowing import of subsidized Chinese goods, we invited job losses and economic inequalities within our border, put several local industries out of business and made people dependent on government doles. Thirdly, lack of public expenditure on health and education. And lastly, handing over welfare enhancing sectors to private profiteers.
One question may arise in our minds that why should we step towards a self-reliant India? To answer this question, we must focus on our lifestyle we adopted in these hard times. All our demands during the crisis were met locally. It is the local people who have fulfilled the demand, saving India from duress. Call for using local goods is not about pleasing anybody. It is time we revive local industries, from Kanchipuram sarees to Made in India.
Conclusion: we should understand that brands become global when local people started buying and using them. They branded them and then felt proud of them and started promoting them. They were the catalyst to make them global brands from local brands. Vocal for local means to not only buy local products but be local about promoting them proudly. Let's go for a self-sufficient and self-reliant India. Believe in Make in India and put your buying power into products and services that are made locally. This will provide impetus to a slow economy and a revival of traditional industries, which will bring back the lost spring of our country.
जय हिंद। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी द्वारा चलाए गए आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान के तहत किरोड़ीमल महाविद्यालय एनसीसी कैडेट्स ने प्रतिज्ञा ली है कि वे स्वदेशी वस्तुओं का प्रयोग करेंगे और भारतीय लघु और कुटीर उद्योगों को बढ़ावा दिलाएंगे। उन्होंने घर पर रहते हुए विभिन्न प्रकार के क्रिएटिव आइडियाज से पुरानी खराब चीज़ों का उपयोग कर उन्हें नया और उपयोगी रूप दिया है। साथ ही अपने हाथों से पोस्टर्स भी बनाए हैं और इन सभी चीज़ों को सोशल मीडिया पर डालकर लोगों को इस अभियान के बारे में जागरूक कर रहे हैं, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसमें भाग लें और आत्मनिर्भर भारत की संकल्पना को साकार करें।
Hi Sejal, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
Good.
What are you doing these days? Anything productive?
Nothing much, yaar. Just thinking of joining a gym to stay fit.
Oh, that's really good.
And also need to buy trending sports shoes for that. But I'm getting confused from what brand should I buy from.
Oh yes, there are many good brands such as Adidas, Woodland, Puma, etc. But frankly speaking, I don't have much knowledge about them. I have an idea. We should call Saki and Anjali. They really have good knowledge about these brands and all.
Yeah, okay. Let's call them.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Yeah, fine. You tell?
Fine, just having a discussion over the brands.
Yes, guys. Actually, Vidushi, she wants to buy some sports shoes and she's really confused which brand to go for.
Great. I also bought an outfit from that Indian brand Fab India last week only.
Great! But why have you specifically brought from only Indian brands?
Haven't you heard about Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan or Be Vocal for Local? Oh yes, I've heard about it, but I don't know what exactly it is.
Atmanirbhar Bharat is the vision of our Pride Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji of making India a self-reliant country by promoting and buying Indian goods.
But what is its significance?
If you buy Indian goods, then it will contribute to our economy and help in increasing our GDP. Also, if we being Indian citizens won't buy Indian goods, then who else will? Yeah, you're very right.
Also, we don't have to compromise with the quality. The quality is even better. So why to buy foreign products?
Yeah, Vidushi, I suggest you should also buy shoes from an Indian brand only.
Yes, now I understood, and I'll buy shoes from an Indian brand only. Now I've understood the importance of Atmanirbhar Bharat, and I'll definitely buy shoes from an Indian brand only. Thank you so much, Satya and Anjali.
Guys, and don't forget to spread awareness about the Be Vocal for Local plan.